Welcome to our channel One Step, where we post tutorial videos. Today I'll teach you guys how you guys can turn off your profile views on TikTok. Now if you turn off your profile views, you will not know who has viewed your profile on TikTok. If you're okay with that, then you can follow the step which I'm going to show you. And before I show you the step, if you guys are new to our channel One Step, hit the subscribe to our channel and let's move on. First step, you want to click on the profile option at the bottom right of your screen. Now once you click on the profile option, you want to click on the three line at the top right of your screen. Once you click on the three line, it's going to show you these three options. Now you want to click on the last option where it says settings and privacy. Once you click on settings and privacy, it's going to take you to the settings and privacy page of TikTok. Once you're over here, the second option where it says privacy, you want to click on privacy. Now once you click on privacy, it's going to bring you over here, and over here you want to scroll a bit down at the bottom until you see this option called profile views. Click on profile views and make sure to turn it off by clicking on this little button at the top right. Once you do that, your profile views will be turned off on TikTok. So that's how you guys can turn off your profile views on TikTok. So if you guys found our video helpful, hit the subscribe to our channel One Step. I will see you guys in my future video. Bye bye until then.